So here we are, somewhere godforsaken Denmark, and we're standing with what started the whole thing. I'll show it here to you in the background, the ambulance, and it's just coming back to haunt us all the time because now that they said we couldn't use it, now we have to return it. But now where it's been parked for the past 5 months, it can't actually start. So we're totally fucked. We're trying to get a battery booster and shit, but it's just it's kind of giving up on us. So we really need to get this thing moving today, or else I'm gonna start crying. Keep you posted for better news.